Sairam children, I hope you all are good. So children, let's continue our chapter 6, fun with give and take in workbook. It is left. I am explaining you questions in book and solution I will show you with the help of PDF. So you only have to understood in the video and solutions all you get in your PDF form. So children, let's start with our chapter. So children, it is subtract the following, but you don't get confused why plus sign is there, because it is 1, 10 and according to hundreds what we have done, they are doing according to ones tens. So for first we are going to do 7 minus 4, means according to that. You can look in second question also, they are doing according to the example what we have done in book also, like how they are getting their answer there. Like 14 minus 7 is 7 and 3 minus 1 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Same, we have to subtract or we have to solve. 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Understood? In the same way we are going to do, like 9 we cut here, it will come 8 and 12, it will become 12. 12 minus 8 is your 4, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, I will send you the solution for this. Now come to next. Now you will get why they are subtracting and they have put the sign off by this third question. So children, in this question what they are getting finally, like 594 is there and 2 to 8 is they have to subtract. So your answer is 6, 8 minus 2 6, because they have take carry 4, that is 14. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Now what they are getting means if they are subtracting and if they are adding, your answer should be same. Understood? In the same way they are doing, they have taken this to here, then they are taking what they are subtracting. Now if we are getting this answer, means if we are adding or we are subtracting, our answer is correct. So here the answer is 14, 8 plus 6 is 14, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 6 here, 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer is matching, means we are subtracting correct. In the same way children, what you can do for your getting your confusion clear, means if they are adding 7 plus 4, okay, here our answer is 4, here our answer is, for example I am showing you 4, 1, 3. Okay, now if we want to get that our answer should be same, we want this only. So what we can do children, here we can do what we are getting our total answer. Okay, that is matching, that should be matched. So what we can do that is here only. If we want to check our answer, what we can do, for example I am showing to you, that is 413 is our answer. Okay, we have to see that both the answers are coming correctly, so our answer is correct. So 2, 3, 4 means 3, 4, 7, 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6 means our answer is correct. 413 is correct what we are doing. If we are adding also here, if we are subtracting or if we are there also, that means it is correct. Understood? I hope. नहीं यार, फिर तो हमें ऐड ही करना पड़ेगा. Understood children? So now come to our next question, question number 4. Question number 4, in the same way I am showing you this also, 217 and 227. This is our answer. We have to take this answer. So 7 and 7, 14, 2, 3, 4 and 4. 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 444. It is matching with this. So our answer is correct. What we get here. Now come to next page. Question number 4. Now children, come to fourth question. In fourth question we have to subtract in a way that should be your answer should be here only. Like if we write in the box 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay. Now what will come? 0 means 1 minus 1. We will write in another box 1 minus 1, that is 0. And in here this box we will write 2 minus 1, that is 1. So your answer is in the box. In first box we will write 3, and in this box 1, and in this box 1. So our answer will come 1, 0, 1. Okay. Same way, next 7, 2 and 9. So children, what we can do? 9 minus 5, that will come 4 in this box. Okay. Here we will write here 8 minus 2 is 6 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So your answer is 2, 6, 4. So I will send you in a photo all the solution. You will do in your book only. Now come to fifth question. Complete the number pattern. That is 260, 260 means same they are adding it according to the series. Number pattern means according to their pattern what they are adding. Now here it is different, like they are doing 800 and it is coming 650 and it is coming 550. So if we can see here, what will come? Here will come 750, 100 they are minus. Okay, means what they are doing? They are subtracting 50-50. They are subtracting 50-50. Like in this box it is 750. In this box it is 700. In this box already they have written 650. In this box it is 600. In this box it is 550. And here it is 500. And in this box what will come? 450. So according to the pattern they are doing, according to the pattern what they are changing and what they are adding, what they are subtracting. Okay, I hope addition and subtraction will do in pattern also. So I will send you rest of the solution. Now children, come to question number 6. Find the missing number. We have to find the missing number. Like 65 into 37 is 102 and 57 minus 37 is 20. In the same way we have to do, means 145 into 55, that is they are getting 20. In the same way, what can come here? That should be same. So children, if we are getting like 210 minus 55, that is 5. This is 10. Here it is 0. Take 1 again. 5 and 1. So your answer should be here 155. Understood? In the same way rest we will do, like 220 into 200 we have to do here, and what will come here, that will come 650. Okay children, what we can minus from that will come 650. I will send you in photo, you will check your answers and you will do in your book only. Now these are your practice problem. Chanchal sold 97 eggs rolls while Mohini sold 65 vegetable rolls. During fair, how many rolls they sold together? Means they have to sold together, means they have to add. So 97 plus 65 is equals to your answer, that is sold together. Means 97 and 65 we will add, and your answer will be 152 rolls sold together. Understood? I hope this is clear to you. In the next, Shammi read a book 125 pages on Monday. On the same day, Jatin, his brother, read a book of 82 pages. How many more pages Shammi then Jatin? Jatin read 82 pages and Shammi read 125. So here 125 minus 82, what will come? Means that more pages Jatin read more or less, that is Shammi read more pages, what the solution we are getting, then Jatin. Now next, Adarsh Public School is taking its students for picnic. 74 of students class 9 and 99 students class 10th are going for picnic. Find the total number of students who are going for picnic. So children, total number of students means 74 plus 99, that is total number of students who are going for picnic. You only understood what I am explaining you. Solution I will send you in a PDF form. Understood? Now come to next page. Read the following information carefully and answer the following questions. Now children, this is a story based question like days Monday, Tuesday, and story 58, 47. Science, they are taking Monday 69, Tuesday 85, and GK they are taking 32 plus 67. How many GK books were sold in 2 days? So children, total number of books you have to send for Monday and Tuesday both. So 32 plus 67, so our answer is 99. First answer is 99. I will write in that PDF only. How many science books were sold? So we will again together we will do 69 plus 85, that is 9 plus 5, that is 14, 4 1 carry, 8, 154 total science books sold in 2 days. Now they are talking about which book? They are talking about how many story books. Now 58 plus 47, what will come? That is your story books will sold. Now how many more GK books were sold on Tuesday than Monday? How many more? So children, look here, what you have to do carefully. You have to do 67 minus 32, because Tuesday books are more. So when we are subtracting this, we are getting 5 and 3. 35 more books were sold on Tuesday than Monday. Which book was sold the minimum in their 2 days? Which book? Here it is 99, here it is 154, and storybook is 15, 5, 9, 10. So GK books sold minimum, because it is 99. Story and sign book sold more, it is 105 and 154. Now find the difference between E and F. E and F means which book maximum. Maximum is science book, that is 154. Minimum is your GK book, that is 99. So what we are going to do, difference between E and F, that is 154 minus 99. So what will be your answer, that we will write here. Understood? Now come to next question. Question number 8. Is Sophia write true false in the blanks? Now we have to write down true false. It is a story based question. One I will tell you, rest you will get in a PDF form. Now burger, ice cream, McPuff, aloo tikki were there. Okay, it is a McDonald price list. Now a burger cost is 20 more than McPuff. Burger cost is, here we can see burger cost is 20 more than McPuff. So here they are getting more, 20 more. So it is 190 more, means if we are adding that should be 200, but it is less. About like aloo tikki, they are selling 110 less than McPuff, means aloo tikki they are selling less than McPuff. How much? That is 110. So that I will write here. Understood? Now come to next question, count to subtract. Same way, this is expanded form what we have done in our book. Understood? First is done for you, like 85 minus 59 is 26, and if we are watching in expanded form, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 4, that is 30 minus 4, that is 26, and if we are doing here also minus, that is also 26. Understood? You should know expanded form also and direct also. One, I will tell you, 58 minus 24, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 5 minus 2 is 3. If we are doing in expanded form, that is 10. So children, here it is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, our answer is coming here 4 and 3, 34. So 30 is there. Okay, 30 minus 6 here we are taking in expanded form, like they are increasing order or decreasing order, means 24, they are, how they are getting 24 to that your subtraction, that your answer what we are subtracting there. Okay, so there they are taking, like they are increasing 10 10. Okay, so this means 35 is coming, so they are taking difference of 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and minus 6, means 40 minus 6, that will come 34. Understood? Rest I will send you children. 10, 11 and 12 also I will send you in a PDF form, so that you can match your answer. Here it is, they are subtracting. On the next also we are getting word problems and subtraction that we have to take. Like for example, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5. So your answer is this. This way I will send you. Now rest is your word problem, that also I will send. In first they are taking left with him, means in first Mihir they have to subtract. In next, how much money will he return, next also he will subtract. How much money did she save, how much means subtracting. How much distance, this means also they are subtracting, then only we can get how much distance is left. And last, what quantity of onions could be sold to the customer. Now in this 453 kg onions and rotten is 193, so what quantity onion sell the customer, that is also subtract. So I will send you in written form, in PDF form, then you will do. So children, do all the book questions in the book, same way workbook questions you have to do in your workbook only. I hope this is clear to you. By this way our chapter will be finished, then we will proceed to our next chapter. Thank you children, bye.